Welcome to eclipseTV YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, eclipseTV wanted to share with you some information on how to limit background processes on your Android device. Please stay tuned till the end of this tutorial. Without further ado, now let's get started. Step 1. Go to Settings. Step 2. Go to More Settings. Step 3. Go to Developer Options. Just make sure you switch Developer Options mode on, and before you proceed into the next step. Now we proceed. Step 4. Scroll down and find Background Process Limit tab and then hit click. Step number 5. Select No Background Processes to save more data usage and battery life of your Android device. Congratulations! You did a great job! Have a nice day. We'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.